What do you guys think? The house is coming along pretty good, isn't it? It's starting to look better all the time. All those pretty reds. So this is what it looks like now. I did get the floor painted. I've got the curtains up. And now what I want to do is take and make a cover. I want to make a cover for the stove so that it's not so black. In a tiny house, color, vibrancy really matters. If it's not colorful or white, if it's at all dark, it just kind of sucks the energy out of the room. So. So I got that done. I'm going to paint myself out, and then we're going to be gone for 2 days to go help take care of chores for somebody else, and then we'll be back. So hopefully you enjoyed this, and yeah, it's coming along. Talk to you later.